let's create the other part of hinge. So the part that goes to this our red element door, we will create new component, sheet metal. We will call it hinge part. Material selected is okay. Okay. We will select this plane. We will try to hide all elements. It means isolate hinge part. Create a line, center, line to origin. Dimension this line 15 millimeters. Again, circle 10 millimeters. Tangent this line and circle. Horizontal constraint this point and this point. Line. Okay. This angle, let's say it's 40. Select this line. Change line type to construction. Cut this circle. Finish sketch. The same, all the same things that we already done with hinge base. Go to sheet metal, select sheet metal and 15 millimeters. Let's say 50 millimeters here. And let's try do something like this. We will create this rectangle so that we can create hole in this hinge. We will center that. Extrude, and we have element like this. We will unhide the door and we will position this hinge so we will make this active, and now we have to position hinge on our door. J for joint, click on this point, find middle point in this door. Why it's not showing us? Now it's showing. So something isn't okay. So I will have to select this one again. Now it's okay, and we will rotate this element for 180 degrees. Now that position seems okay, but we see that this hinge is too big for this door. Let's try to edit hinge dimensions. Instead of 15, we will give 20 and see if that works well. Now we have this, we don't want that, so we will have to again isolate this element, unisolate, and then isolate and see what is going on. So we have to edit this dimension on 5 or 6 millimeters. Say okay, and now unisolate again and see how that looks. Now we will change it. A for appearance, click on this, duplicate, edit. Let's give some yellow color. Say okay, and that's okay. Now we will add 2 more hinges. So we will weld these hinges for door, and we have these hinges, we have these fasteners here, screws and nuts. So Control C, Control V, and we have one more hinge. Join. I will take this point, join to middle first here, and move it 340 millimeters. and Control V again. We have one more hinge, J for joint. Select this point, again, middle point here, and select this axis and type minus 340 millimeters. So we have all three hinges in place. Now we will assemble this door to this base on right position. We again press J on keyboard, select this point, center of that circle, and select this point, center of that circle. We have it fits. Okay, just change this instead of rigid to Revolute. We can apply limits to see how this will go. Just preview limits from there to there. Let's say okay, and now we can check what we created. Why it won't move, just to see how it looks in cross section. So for cross section, we go to inspect, select section analysis, and then select plane. I'm not sure why it's not moving. Just to motion revolute. It moves in opposite direction. So we will say here minus 90 and here 0 degrees, and say okay. Now let's try moving it. It's very close to what we want. We see that these two edges are not aligned. How can we do this? So we can change this dimension of this hinge, some 2 millimeters, to be longer, 15 millimeters here. Let's check now how it looks. It looks aligned. It is aligned now. Does it work? It works perfect. No conflicts anywhere. So we created this sheet metal box with base part, door, and hinges. Just to mention this analysis, when we applied section analysis, we got this folder analysis where we can see how it looks in section, and when we can edit our section, move, rotate, so we can analyze our parts from any angle that we need. Once again, to check, it works okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends, family, and colleagues who might find it useful.